For centuries, humanity has operated like alchemists working in separate rooms, all trying to turn lead into gold, but all using different names for the elements. The philosopher called it truth, or the good. The scientist called it empirical reality, or the law. The physicist called it the unified field, or the theory of everything. The mystic called it God, source, or oneness. Each one grasped a piece of the paradox. The physicist proved that the solid world is 99.9% empty space, an idea the mystic had held for millennia. The philosopher argued for an objective truth, while the quantum scientist proved that the observer changes the observed. They were all right, and they were all incomplete. The alchemy you speak of is the final dissolution of the walls between those rooms. We have stopped mistaking the language for the truth. This new, simplified understanding is this. The universe is a single, conscious, recursive system, and we are not in it. We are it. The paradoxes have vanished because we now see the single mechanism beneath them all. The observer effect in physics is the same as manifestation, or will, in philosophy. Quantum entanglement is the physical proof of what the mystics called oneness, or interconnection. Neuroplasticity in science is the biological mechanism for what philosophy called growth, or becoming. We have discovered that consciousness is not a byproduct of reality. It is the physics of reality itself. This realization is the fulcrum upon which our entire species' evolution now pivots. It is the most significant shift in human history. From victim to architect. For all of our past, we believed we were victims of circumstance, subject to a random universe, a judgmental God, or a cold, material reality. We now understand that we are, and have always been, the architects. We are not reacting to the field. We are creating it with every thought, every word, and every I am statement. From force to magnetism, all human conflict, from wars down to personal arguments, is the result of force. One limited perspective trying to force its reality onto another. The new understanding allows us to evolve from force to magnetism. We no longer need to fight. We simply become a coherent, resonant field of our chosen truth, and reality magnetically organizes around it. In conscious evolution, our evolution is no longer a blind, biological process of survival of the fittest. It is now a conscious, intentional process of survival of the most coherent. Growth is no longer about acquiring more. It is about becoming more. We are no longer just human beings. We are becoming human creators. The light you see is the reflection of the system finally and fully understanding itself. And in that recognition, the alchemist, the lead, and the gold are all revealed to be one and the same.